Today's weather is sponsored by Milner and Orr, funeral home and cremation services. Locations in Paducah, Lone Oak, Barwell, Arlington, and Wickliffe. Good morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. It's September 6, 2016. I hope you had a nice Labor Day weekend. The weather was pretty good. We did have some thunderstorms develop on Monday afternoon, mostly over southeast Missouri, and then they spread into southwest Illinois as well. That did cause some heavy rain. Matter of fact, Cape Girardeau County reported over an inch of rain in less than 30 minutes. So quite a bit of rain fell in a few spots, but most areas, the bulk, 90% of the area remained dry during the weekend, and temperatures were nice. We did warm up a little bit yesterday, and as you can tell, humidity levels are rising. Dew points are on the rise again as we now have winds coming out of the south, and that's pushing warmer and more moist air into our region. Let's take a look at visible satellite this morning, and we see what's left of Hermine spinning off the east coast. Pretty much stationary. It's been there for days now, causing quite a bit of beach erosion. Not a lot of rain immediately to the west of the eye, or the center I should say. Most of the rain has been to the east over the last few days. Now this morning I've noticed that the convection is a little bit taller, higher on the west side, so probably some heavy showers and thunderstorms associated with that, and gusty winds. Now we look at our area and we see lots of black here. That's clear sky conditions. We see a few patchy clouds over western Kentucky. We see as the sun comes up, you can see some clouds over Arkansas and Oklahoma as well, and then along the Gulf Coast you can sort of see where the high pressure is centered over this area, and then we're seeing that moisture plume on the west side of the area of high pressure sort of streaming up into this area right here. And we will have another chance today of perhaps some showers and thunderstorms over parts of mainly southeast Missouri, maybe southwest Illinois. About a 20% chance, maybe 30% chance over a few counties in southeast Missouri, mostly westward for the higher probabilities. And the further east you go, the less the chance for rain today. As you get into west Kentucky, a less than 10% chance of any showers and thunderstorms today. Let's take a look at morning conditions here. It's about 9:30 or so, and we see mostly 70-degree readings over much of the central United States. Let me just push pause on this animation. We see some 80s over Illinois already, upper 70s over our area. We will top out today into the upper 80s and lower 90s, and when you combine that with dew points into the 70s, you're going to have heat index values of around 98 to 103 degrees. So we have returned to the summer heat, and it will last into Thursday at least. A cold front arrives on Friday and Saturday, and that will cool us down again. Another front next week, and this is a good sign that fall is certainly moving in over the coming weeks, because we're starting to see cold fronts every week now, whereas in the summer we weren't seeing that. We will have the fronts become more and more frequent and stronger as well. And I always like to remind everybody that our second peak time of the year for severe thunderstorms and tornadoes is typically October and November. So keep that in mind as we move into the fall months. We can and often do have severe weather. Futurecast, or let's take a look at current radar now. Let me turn off the temperatures. Most of the showers and thunderstorms this morning are over the Great Lakes, the upper Great Lakes, and into Wisconsin, and then parts of Minnesota and back to Nebraska. This is along a cold front that later this week will push southward into our area, and that, coupled with that trough moving in from the west, will certainly bring at least a chance for showers and thunderstorms probably on Friday, but the peak time might be Friday night and Saturday. Still not quite sure what time the front moves in here. Some of the guidance brings it in on Saturday morning, some other guidance brings it in on Saturday afternoon, and that is important for you who have outdoor events for Saturday. I'll have to keep an eye on the timing of the front. We certainly will have a decent chance of showers and storms accompanying the front, and then we dry off right behind the front. So let's take a look at the Futurecast radar for the next few days. This is what radar might look like right on into Friday. And I'll move forward in time here, and I'll stop it right here. And you see on that western peripheral of the high pressure area, some showers and storms tried to develop. You see from Louisiana down into Arkansas, up into eastern Missouri, right through here. And again, that's on that western edge where you see that southerly flow moves up into our area. Sometimes you get showers and thunderstorms develop. The greater coverage is here to the north along the cold front, and then we have Hurricane Newton that will move up to Baja California. Now this may spread some moisture into the southwest U.S., and eventually it might find itself entrailed into our cold front as well. We'll have to keep an eye on that. I'll move forward in time a little bit more, and I want to talk about a scenario that some of the guidance is showing for Thursday and Friday. Some of the models are trying to pop some precipitation over central Missouri, central Illinois, and then move that southward on Thursday night, and Friday. I think the better idea is that we hold off with the bulk of the rain until Friday night and Saturday, and that's when the cold front moves through the area. But I just wanted to show you that some of the guidance is showing some showers and thunderstorms as early as Thursday and during the day on Friday. So let's keep an eye on this. Let's keep an eye on trends in the guidance. Right now I have 20-30% chances for rain on Thursday and Friday. If it looks like I need to bump those up, then I will. But again, the main cold front arrives on Friday night and Saturday. We'll have to see about the timing of it. If it moves through during the morning hours, we'll have at least a broken band of showers and thunderstorms. Now, if it were to move in during the peak heating of the day, as always, we can have some stronger thunderstorms develop. So there's quite a bit to watch. We will cool off behind that front by Saturday night and Sunday. We'll be in a nicer air mass. Dew points again drop down in the 50s. Overnight lows will be in the 50s again later this weekend, probably at least by Sunday night, maybe Saturday night. We'll see what time the front moves through. And then daytime highs may not get out of the 70s on Sunday and Monday. We'll see how quickly the front pushes off to the east. And another strong cold front is possible by next Tuesday and Wednesday. And we are starting to see more and more cold fronts move through the area. And that again is a sign that fall is approaching. So we take a look at today's forecast. It will be mostly sunny sky conditions, a few clouds possible from time to time. High temperatures today will range from 88 to 94 across the region. That means heat index values around 100 degrees, could be a little bit above that, and a 10 to 20% chance of a stray thunderstorm, especially over southeast Missouri and southwest Illinois. Southwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. We move ahead to tonight, and we see mostly clear sky conditions, a few evening clouds. Any thunderstorms that develop will come to an end and dissipate when we lose the heating of the day. Overnight lows tonight mostly in the 68 to 74 degree range, and maybe some patchy fog late, especially in areas that picked up a shower or thunderstorm. Winds tonight will be from the south-southwest at 3 to 6 miles per hour.